This video I will explain best free antivirus software and which one you should use. If you use a computer, it is very important to protect the computer from viruses. A virus is a type of malicious software that can steal your personal data, slow down your computer, or even damage your files. To stay safe, you need antivirus software. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software is a program that scans your computer for harmful files, blocks dangerous websites and downloads, remove viruses, spyware, and other threats, protect your personal information like passwords and banking details. You don't always have to pay for antivirus software. Many companies offer free versions that are very good for everyday use. First one is Microsoft Defender or Windows Defender antivirus software. This one is built in with Windows 10 and Windows 11. You no need to install anything separately. It provides real-time protection and regular updates. It is great for people who just want basic protection with no extra setup. This one is best for beginners using Windows who want automatic protection. Second one is Avast Free Antivirus. This one is easy to install and easy to use. It offers extra features like Wi-Fi scanner and password manager. It gives alerts when apps behave differently. This one is best for users who want more features without paying money. Third one is AVG Antivirus free version. This one is made by the same company as Avast. It offers strong protection against viruses, spyware, and ransomware. It has a simple interface and easy to understand. This one is best for people who want a solid protection and regular updates. Fourth one is Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition. It is very light on your system, does not slow down your computer. It works quietly in the background. It is great for those who don't want to deal with pop-ups or settings. This one is best for users who want quiet and automatic protection. Fifth one is Kaspersky Security Cloud. It is known for strong virus detection. It also offers safe browsing and cloud-based protection. It might ask for free account to use full features, and this one is best for users looking for reliable security and online protection. What to look for in free antivirus software when you install in your system? First one is real-time protection so that it keeps watching on your computer in real time. Second one is automatic updates so that it can catch the latest threats. Third one is user friendly. The antivirus software should be easy to install and understand. And fourth one is no slowdowns. The antivirus software should not make your computer slow. Final advice. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, Microsoft Defender is already built in and it is good enough for basic protection. If you want extra features like checking your Wi-Fi network or managing passwords, you can try Avast or AVG. If you want simple and quiet protection, Bitdefender Free is the great choice. You don't need to pay for good antivirus protection. You have to just choose one which is free that fits for your needs and keep it updated regularly.